Sai, Ufanwe. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen of my fellow congregations. This was Microwave News, aka New Chap Chap, coming to you in Kings. Afanyereke English. Rep say no be them talk. Na me talk. When Ryan want to teach the other smaller animals where to get their food, he suppose first go get the food come, then them they could follow him. You understand? Thank you. I get one news. Ufanwe, it was not a small matter. Sai. That was how the other day I did for my house. News, find me come. I follow news. It was not because I was a pro or maybe because I was a busy boy. It was because of the fact that I was a new cat stand. Sorry, a new cat stand. You don't my English. You understand? As I follow the news, who find me, it was not a smart thing. On top of Jojo Medium, our first ready, grammar, Remis Tinubu have come out to tell the all of Nigerians people, you people supposed to learn how to farm. In fact, start to farm. As he told it in Nigerians, people say, Madam, we want to farm. Show us where to go farm. Our farms was not safe. So if it doesn't make everybody go farm, we don't mind. But now you go lead the way. Your son, shall you still support farm too? Make on a read by example. It was not a smart enough farm. As I told her, they don't face. Nigerian people don't face. Say, how can you come and tell us that we need to study how to farm? After all, the other time, before you people enter office, now you come tell us, say, you and your husband, you have a money. You does not need our money. Now, they tell you, say, things was hard. They tell us to go farm. Farming since morning. Matter no gree suffer. I come back house, say make I come collect my microphone. And they don't wrap this woman as staff and the top don't come out. I say make I carry this top like this. See, I'm a very fine top. Go give her so that at least you go wear it. Now my thoughts are for Nigerians. But family don't face so it was not as if I like a proco or I was a busy body. The way this matter is, if you think about it with your sacred mind, you could see Nigerian people was not wrong. If you can't use your kind of mind, this one. Thinks about it, you could see and say the woman too was not wrong. But if you can't use your church mind, this one, not be the front one or the back one, thinks about this matter, you could see say even Nigerians they right. Now she's supposed to carry O and cutlass they for front, so that everybody could follow her from back. You understand? But you know now, you know that I say, now maybe you're, maybe you're, you know, say now maybe you're, now where still be Yuri. You understand? So anything way thinks about this matter, but go to comment sections, just with my English. Go to comment sections and put what you think about this matter for there. So that in case of next time I could feel the bring you for now. You understand? Thank you. Well, until I come your way next time, my name is LIGHTSTARS. Keep watching Microwave News, aka New Chap Chap. Thank you. God bless and big star.
Afanyereke disappointment na everybody go chop breakfast.